how to download and install Pop Mart shopping app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and as you check on the connection, launch the Play Store application on your device. And as you launch the Play Store application, simply tap on the search bar, and here you can simply search for the application. So let's search for Pop Mart. So let's tap in. That's Pop Mart shopping app. So let's search for it, and as you search for it, you can see there are different options over here, but there is no direct option to download Pop Mart shopping app over here. Maybe this is not available in our current region that I'm living in, but you can also use VPN if you would want to download it to your device over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.